body whitening treatment is available in other skin specialist clinic, skincare clinic, which are very costly and not affordable at all. So this treatment which I am telling you here is very affordable, very easy to make at home, and gives you best results and long lasting results.
Subscribe to my channel as it is completely free. Bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video.
Hello friends, in this video I'll be showing a full body whitening treatment which you can replace the soap itself. So in this video we'll be seeing a treatment which will whiten your full body. You can use it on your legs, you can use it on your hands, back, face, neck, everywhere. So if you don't want to use it over full body, you can use it on the affected area of the body, like wherever you have dark patches or suntan or blemishes. You can even use it every day for getting best results sooner. It will give you fair, soft and glowing skin for your whole body. This treatment should be done while taking bath. So at least do it 3 times a week so you can see very best results in just 1 month. So for getting even toned skin all over your body, watch this video.
First take 2 tablespoons of rice flour and then 2 spoons of crushed oats and then 2 spoons of orange peel powder and 1 spoon of almonds powder. So then add 2 spoons of licorice powder and mix all ingredients well. You can store this mixture up to a month in an airtight. Now I'll show how to use this one. Take the mixture in a clean bowl, required amount of mixture, then add vitamin E oil capsule to it, then add required amount of rose water to get a thick paste from this mixture. Mix well into a thick paste. You have to apply like this all over your body. I'll be demonstrating only on hand. Apply a thick layer of this paste onto the affected area and leave it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. The ingredients I've used here are very good for our skin, which regular use of this treatment will give you a fairer skin. Rice flour controls melanin production of our skin. Oats is a natural cleanser, leaving you a baby soft skin. Orange peel powder is very rich in vitamin C and almond powder is very rich in vitamin E. Licorice is You can use this mixture like a soap for everyday use. So after washing, you can see that there is a good glow in my hand, and there is huge difference between the hand which have done the treatment and which have not done. So it is more brighter, more softer, and it is glowing. So you can see the difference over here. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Please share and subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye.